यहाँहरू सबैलाई पनि फेरि स्वागत छ। म यस भिडियोमा दिएको क्वेसन सल्भ गर्न जाँदैछु। क्वेसन छ, a company allocates rupees 5,70,000 to spend on advertising and research. The company estimates that it will sell a total of approximately uh, the function f x comma y is equals to 15x to the power 2 by 3 y to the power 3 by 5. यसलाई चाहिँ मैले यसरी लेखेँ। यो चाहिँ हाम्रो 15x to the power 2 by 3 and then y to the power is 3 by 5 हो। Units of his product after spending rupees x and x in thousand on on advertising and rupees y. It is rupees y. It is rupees y thousand on research. Means the amount spent on advertising is rupees X in thousand and rupees Y in thousand on research. How much should the company spend on advertising and research in order to maximize sale? Find the maximum selling. We need to find what? The maximum selling. Okay, the solution goes like this. The function is given as fx comma y is equals to 15x to the power 2 by 3 into y to the power 3 by 5. And we'll assume another function phi x comma y as x plus y means uh, the amount. That means we are going to spend x. X mean on advertising and y on research in thousand, and then minus 570. It's clear that why I'm subtracting minus 570 means 570 in terms of thousand. Then X on advertising, Y on research. If you add that one, there might be the remaining uh, means that need to subtract from the allocated amount. That is 570,000. Now we'll define. Let us define. We need to define a new function such that is in terms of z it is x y and we create another one that is lambda is equals to function x comma y plus lambda phi, the second one function that is equivalent to 15x to the power 2 by 3 and then y to the power 3 by 5 plus is lambda function of xy is x plus y minus it is 570. Now we are going to find the differentiation of this function in terms of x. What we'll get? We'll get, see here, 2 by 3 in terms of x means this y is considered as constant. This according to the power rule, 2 by 3 will come over here, and then 15 as it is, x to the power 2 by 3 minus 1 into y to the power 3 by 5 plus, see, in terms of this y and 5 and 7 will be 0, and we'll get lambda x, means lambda x in terms of x it will be lambda. If we further will solve, we'll get it as 10x to the power minus 1 by 3 y to the power 3 by 5 plus lambda. Similarly, we'll calculate for in terms of y. While solving, we'll get it as x plus y minus, we'll get 150. Now we need to find the stationary point. Okay, now for the stationary point, what we need to assume is that zx in terms of x will be 0. It means that we will get 10x to the power minus 1 by 3 into y 3 by 5 plus lambda equals to 0. Or we're going to find the value of lambda, then we'll get minus 10 x to the power 1 by 3 y 3 by 5. Or the value of lambda will be minus 10 y to the power 3 by 5 over x to the power 1 by 3. Let it be relation 1. Differentiation with respect to y as 0. Then what you'll get while solving for this function in terms of z, finally we'll get 9 x to the power 2 by 3 over y to the power 2 by 5 plus lambda equals to 0, or we'll get the value of lambda as minus 9x to the power 2 by 3 whole over y to the power 2 by 5. Uh, Now let it be relation 1. Solving now, solving equation 1 and 2. Over here, the value of lambda is same, then we'll equate minus 10 x to the power, sorry, in brackets there is y to the power 3 by 5 over x to the power 1 by 3 is equals to minus 9x to the power 2 by 3 whole over y to the power 2 by 5. Or minus minus sign is being cancelled, then we'll multiply this one 10 y to the power 3 by 5 plus 2 by 5, because while multiplying these two same base and the power will be added. Now over here 9x to the power 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. I believe that you understood the process what I have solved over here. Then what you'll get 10y equals to 9x, or the value of y is equals to 9x by 10. Let it be relation 3. Now moving forward, also by taking zx uh, equals to 0, zy equals to 0, the value of y in terms of x is obtained, that is y equals to 9x over 10. Now also we are taking zx equals, sorry, z lambda, because the another term is lambda. Let me erase this one. Z lambda equals to 0. Uh, then what we will obtain is x plus y minus 5 on the 70 equals to 0, because only this term is been multiplied by lambda, or the term will be 0. Then we'll get x plus y minus 5 on 70 equals to 0. Or over here we'll substitute the value of y. It is 9x over 10 minus 5 on the 70 equals to 0. Or while taking LCM, what you'll get 10x plus 9x minus 570 over 10 equals to 0. Now 10x plus 9x, it is 19x minus 570 equals to 0, 10 into 0. Or 19x equals to 570, or x equals to 517 by 19. I believe The solution is clear up to here. You understand, according to your understanding. Then we'll divide this 5% by 19. 19 into 3, 3 nines, 3, 9 into 327. Okay, 9, 327, 3 is 5. Means 30 times 19 into 30. 19 into 3. Yes. Oh, sorry. I made a mistake over here. It should uh, be 700. Okay. Then 300 over x equals to, it is, sorry, it is 300. It is 300 thousands, the value of x. Also, what do we have? Uh, y is equals to, we have a 9x by 10, means 9 into 300 over 10, it is thousands. Then what you'll get? 0 cancel, it is 270,000, the value of x, 270,000. Therefore, what we need to find? We need to find the total sales maximum. Therefore, total the sales is maximum at, well, if it is 300,000, means we'll add three zeros, comma 270,000 means, and the minimum sales, and the, sorry, not minimum, and the maximum sales, and the maximum sales as given by, what do we have? The maximum sale. We have maximum sale as, it is 15. X means, it is 300 in terms of thousand, means 300 to the power. It is 2 by 3, 2 by 3 into, and then value of y, it is 270 to the power 3 by 5. Okay, if you solve this one, then we'll obtain the value as, we calculate, it's 19,334.09. Okay, thank you all for watching this video. See you in next video.